A North Idaho attorney who represented the Aryan Nations now needs an attorney himself. Federal agents arrested Edgar Steele Friday, charged him with trying to hire someone to kill his wife and mother-in-law. KXLY 4's Tania Dall live at the Kootenai County Jail tonight. And Tania, an undercover sting is credited with uncovering the alleged plot.
That's right, Robin. Actually, according to court documents obtained by the Idaho Statesman, somebody that Steele had known for about 20 years wore a wiretap for the FBI. He showed up to Steele's house, and that's when Steele started talking about paying thousands of dollars to kill his wife and mother-in-law. It's still unclear tonight what prompted Edgar Steele, who lives in Sagal, to want to hire a hitman to kill his wife Cindy and her mother. Steele made a name for himself in the late 90s when he represented the Aryan Nations in the trial that ultimately led to their demise. Federal court documents show that the 64-year-old is being charged in a murder-for-hire plot. According to a probable cause affidavit obtained by the Idaho Statesman, Steele hired a hitman paying $500 in cash for travel expenses, promising another $25,000 and an additional $100,000 if his wife's life insurance paid out. Court documents allege that Steele asked a hitman to kill both women in a car crash while his wife visited her mother in Oregon. He allegedly wanted their deaths to look like an accident. A charging document says Steele wanted both women killed last Friday, and Steele warned his hitman that he didn't want to be left to take care of a paraplegic if the accident was unsuccessful. Court documents say the North Idaho attorney told the confidential witness that he'd have an alibi for that day. Steele recently authored a book called Defensive Racism, and on his website conspiracypenpal.com, Steele describes himself as exceedingly politically incorrect. The attorney says he likes to test the limits of constitutional law by representing politically incorrect clients, most notably Aryan Nations leader Richard Butler. And Steele is being held at the Kootenai County Jail tonight. He did decline our request for an interview. If convicted, he could face up to life in prison or the death penalty, and we actually contacted Steele's wife. She had no comment for our story. Reporting live, Tania Dall, KXLY 4, HD News.